Hey guys, welcome to Compound Body once again today. I've got Abdul here with me. What are we working on today?
So today we're going to go through a few different outdoor calisthenic body weight complexes. So it's not your typical gym workout, but it's something that we can have fun, do outdoors, challenge the body a bit. But we're going to break it down into three different components. The first component that we're going to cover is the lower body component, everything, legs, glutes, hams, etc., right? The second component will be the pull component, right? Where we're covering the back muscles, the biceps, everything that you use to pull your body up. And then the third and last component is going to be the push component, right? So these are all your push muscles, the chest, the shoulders, the triceps.
So what prompted you to get into fitness and health?
Yo, honestly, when I was a kid, I think it's like every young man's dream, like growing up to really they see like a magazine of, with bodybuilding or they see somebody that they look up to that's muscular and fit, right? And it really represents strength. So as a young boy, going into your young teens and adulthood, I hit the gym and then from there never looked back. I've been training for 13 plus years. Plethora of different ways. I started off in the gym lifting weights, got into like calisthenics, body weights, sports. I train Muay Thai now, and I like to have some overall fitness, right, and different components of it, just to challenge myself, have fun, and get a little bit more of a dynamic energy around it, So this type of training you could do anywhere, right? Minimal equipment, right? You can find, if it's pull-ups, you can find a tree. Body weight, you could do a lot of things without even any of like the things in this park here. But essentially, like the goal of the workout is to incorporate and really emphasize the importance of adding calisthenic, plyometric, and body weight activities into your routine. So even if you don't fully add or incorporate a full day of like what we do and we cover here, you could take exercises, some complexes, some components of the actual workout, and then add them into your routine so you can progress through those exercises as well. The number of sets and the number of reps will depend on the person's individual fitness level, right? And on top of like what goal they're actually looking to accomplish, what I mean? A lot of people think strength is only relative to how much weight you can lift in the gym, how much plates you can stack up, but there's a different component to strength of how much can you control your body, manipulate it, can you pull, push, and do these basic movements with just your body weight.
So what's your typical training styles like?
So it just depends on what phase I'm in, right? So currently over the last year, I've been really deep into Muay Thai and martial arts, so boxing, Muay Thai, kickboxing. So that's mainly what's taking up most of my training block right now, right? So I train on average, 3 to 4 hours a day, 4 to 5 days a week on that. And I'll still get in like, my routine at the gym, at home, outdoors, at running. Very, very active, but that's essentially that main component. And then everything around it is like more accessory work.
All right. So then what do you typically eat in a day?
What I typically eat right now, I'm on a keto diet. I find that it works best for me. I'm also in the process of leaning and shredding out again, right? So I find that keto, lowering the carbs, personally for myself, gives me more energy. It allows me to drop body fat, and really just puts me in an optimal state, right, fitness-wise.
All right, guys, that was an amazing workout by Abdul here. He definitely smashed that workout. That was a banging workout. Full body workout. You could split the components like he says, depending on your goal, depending on your fitness level. So I need you guys to go and follow this routine. This routine is going to make you a calisthenic monster. You're going to be a monster. You're going to be the best guy. You're going to be in the best shape of your life if you follow this routine, guys. So all right, guys, until next time, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Boom! Eat, sleep, live, play, and have a great day.